God is telling you to watch the entire video before we begin today, and to share it with others so that more needy souls might hear this message. I am reaching across the heavens to touch your life directly and profoundly, my beloved child. You are being drawn by a loving call, and as you pause and listen, let the profound significance of this moment envelope you. You are standing on sacred ground, my child, because the Creator of the universe has paused to speak with you and enter your day with a message that is perfectly crafted for your heart and your circumstances. Feel the weight of that love, the type that is aware of your most basic wants. Hears your silent prayers, comprehends the weight of your burdens, and is fully attuned to your struggles, health issues, and whispered fears. I am offering you not just words, but my very presence to everyone who is tired of carrying the heavy load of life. Hear me now. I'm extending an invitation for you to come and find rest, to allow my peace to settle over you like the softest of cloaks shielding you from the turmoil of the world, and to find the courage to keep believing despite the odds, and the knowledge that you are never, ever alone. Please like and share the video if you have faith in the words of the God. Subscribe to the channel if you love Jesus, my beloved. Allow my words to be the spark that illuminates your path and the balm for your weary spirit, igniting the embers of faith within you. It is your time to rise, empowered and surrounded by a love that the world cannot give or take away. Come closer still, and let us travel together from this day forward. Discard all doubt from your life this instant. Avoid the chill of spiritual indifference. Do not let your heart grow cold like others might. Type 111. I am speaking directly to you. Yes, you who long for signs of my love and evidence of my power. Open your heart wide because you are about to experience the profound depths of my care, and the unmistakable reality of my promise is fulfilled. Stand firm in this truth. If you follow Jesus, keep in mind everything we have been through together. I have helped you through many hardships, and you have seen incredible miracles. No matter what, I will lead you out of it too, even if others doubt you or the situation seems hopeless. I promise to deliver you so that your future is not determined by transient feelings or other people's opinions. I tell you this straight up so you don't waste your time on pointless rumors or pander to the envious so they may say you don't deserve their favors or express astonishment at your unexpected good fortune rather than taking their advice and come into my presence. I will show you the right route and give you the knowledge and endurance to face criticism while you wait for my blessing. Keep your heart joyful and peaceful. I will meet all of your requirements, but you must also do your share, behave properly, make good use of what you have, and wait for my bountiful supply. I encourage you to come and sit in my presence with a heart full of dedication, faith, and love. Type. I will multiply your efforts and open numerous doors for you every day. As you lay your weary head down each night, let my voice be the whisper that lulls you to sleep. Each word I speak to you, in the name of Jesus, amen. Each word is a seed of strength and prosperity planted deep within your heart. Before you drift into dreams, let my river of sanctifying water wash over you like a river, cleansing and healing your inner being. Give me all of your worries, your rage, your doubts, and your frustrations. Don't let turbulent emotions drag you to sleep. Instead, bring your problems to me and express all that's on your mind. You'll feel freed from those heavy chains. Your fear and shame will vanish, and your regret will no longer hold you captive. Let my atoning blood cleanse your spirit of the sins that continue to torment you. I want your days to be filled with ease, and your steps to I pledge to take care of you, to watch over you, and to guide you to lush pastures where you will flourish. Never forget the depth and sincerity of my love for you, and do not allow life's storms take away the joy you feel when you speak with me. Be steady, wise in your decisions, and to wrap all of your actions in my blessings of goodness. You are mine. Ignore the voices of doubtful people. Yes, please assist our community by making a Super Then Thanks donation of $50 to $100 if you believe in Christianity and are prepared for the benefits you are about to receive. I have blessings in store for you and your loved ones. All I need is for you to accept them. Come listen to what I have to say, let it sink in, close your eyes, and allow me to remove any doubts that are preventing you from moving forward. Speak to me now, and declare in your own voice that you accept my word and my blessings. Feel your heart calm in my embrace as you look forward to the many blessings that are coming your way and sense the beginnings of something amazing. Accept calm, but keep your heart strengthened by my word, and resist allowing uncertainty to weaken your trust. Hold on to the knowledge that I have the last say. I will heal you of all your ailments. Rise bravely, for I will vanquish every debt, every curse, and every unpleasant memory from your past will soon be paid off since the chains are shattered. I accept my ability to declare that you will have joy and plenty, and that you will see a powerful. Your eyes will observe my supply, and your heart will overflow with thankfulness as you speak miracle praise. You will be blessed with everything you need and more, allowing you to help those in need and bless others. Please fervently pray for me to use my healing power to touch your body, spirit, and heart. Put your despondency aside. Let my serenity permeate every nook and cranny as you throw open the doors of your spirit. You've been brave in combat, firm in conviction, and unflinching in the face of opposition. This is the day of victory dawn, when you can fully entrust yourself to my presence and receive my provision. I will fulfill your heart's desires. Call out to me, and I will answer, revealing to you great and hidden things you are unaware of today. I am putting yourself through a challenge to truly believe in me, as my promises are continually true and resound in the depths of your spirit and the whispers of your heart. I'm full of affirmation. I ask that you not only declare your faith aloud but also live in a way that demonstrates it. Remind yourself that friendships and influences that pull you away from me are not able to save you in your hour of greatest need. Material wealth will become burdensome if your faith wavers. You must seek me out sincerely at all times, day or night. Lay your petitions at my feet, and believe in my promises with unflinching conviction. Have complete faith that I will offer what you need for personal development and spiritual enlightenment. I want you to pay close attention because I can guarantee you that something amazing, strong, and wonderful is going to happen in your life. Your existence, in spite of multiple assaults and unjustified suffering perpetrated upon you, embrace them. Do not be afraid of those who want to scare you. You have the opportunity to hear words and revelations that many others do not hear. Remain resolute, my child. Enjoy and spread the word about the video. If you believe that God is speaking to you, then subscribe to the channel. If you love Jesus, then stay focused and don't let the chaos get to you. Envious people have built elaborate webs to trap you and spoken evil of you, but you stand firm in your faith. I rejoice that you value the truth above all else, and that you throw away the hate and deceit of those who oppose you. They are blinded by the light that comes from you, a light that is my presence in your life. which causes them to become agitated while your enemies toss and turn at night. You can sleep easy knowing that I am keeping an eye on you and your loved ones. Your home, your job, your entire being are under my care. I will calm the storms around you and occupy your detractors with other matters. Then they have seen that their efforts cannot disturb your peace. Their own foundations crumble because they have rejected my word and my love, choosing instead a path away from me. But you, my dear child, have chosen wisely. You recognize that the answers to your troubles lie with me. You surrender to my will with an open heart, embracing my word without a shadow of doubt. This is the faith I delight in, the faith that moves mountains and opens the heavens. Type 777 to show your belief in Jesus. Tell me now, do you believe? Express it not just in words, but let your life be a testament to this faith. For as you believe, so shall my wonders manifest in your life. Look around you, not everyone shares your perspective. Many could be basking in my I love, yet their hearts have grown cold. They have faced disappointments and mistakenly attribute their misfortunes to me, but you are different. You have learned that your joy and future depend not on others, but solely on me. I urge you to persist in this understanding. Each day you will grow stronger and more resilient. Even those who oppose you will seek you out, yearning to learn about me through your words. Greater blessings lie ahead on your path. Maintain your faith and loyalty. Type 999 to manifest miracles in your life. I am with you every step of the way. Continue to strive and do not surrender. I am aware of your struggles and I will bring relief. Your pain will cease. I will heal you. I witness your tears in those quiet moments. Remember that nothing is beyond my power. When you fervently pray for miracles in the lives of the people you love and have faith that they will materialize soon. No circumstance is too complicated for me to handle, and no issue is too big for me to fix. If you completely believe in my word and turn to me in prayer, I'm prepared to bring about significant changes in your life, including those that affect your family, job, and beyond. I will enrich your life and realize all of your deepest hopes and desires. If you seek to understand my will, turn to my holy and inspired word. Let my commandments become deeply ingrained in your mind and heart, guiding your actions and responses when pivotal moments arise. This will firmly establish your faith so that no storm can shake it. If you are ready for the blessings you are about to receive, please respond with a super thank you gift of $50 to $100. If you believe in Christianity, I am collecting your tears, remembering all of your requests. You have prayed for seemingly impossible outcomes, but deep down you know my nature and have placed your trust in my supernatural power. I will deliver the miraculous answer you seek, even if you feel your faith is meager. Remember, to me it is profound and magnificent. I take great pleasure in your prayers, especially when you ask for blessings for your family. Let go of your anguish for them. Your anxiety will soon dissolve, for I am taking up your burdens. Embrace the peace I send you today. Know this: I love you. Type 111 if you follow Jesus. You are no longer suffering. Rise, for the victory is already yours. Stay firm and keep up your daily prayers, and everything that stands in your way will be destroyed. By my divine word, I created you to be blessed, prosperous, and to live abundantly. I am your omnipotent God, so throw aside any thoughts of failure, because with me, anything is possible. I will remove obstacles from your path that appear insurmountable, those that are known only to us, and I will use your current circumstances to lift you above all trials. Have faith in me, for I have covered you with my wings, where you will always find safety. When the time comes to climb new heights, I will be by your side, guiding you to see the vast blessings that await you.